Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to create the BIOS security password on HP ELITEBOok 855. So first open the BIOS. You can find a video of how to do it on our channel. The button is escape. Then the touchpad here works, but may not work for you, so I'll be using the arrows. So with the arrows on your keyboard, go into the security. Now security, create BIOS administrator password and click enter, and here enter your password. And that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.